Today is Women's Day. We want to sing a song about women, especially the mother.
If you ever feel tired and need some rest, I hold your hand and give you strength. If you ever feel alone and need some care, I'll be the one to be there. If I want some better, when we are gonna live our with love, you can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and be there. 'Cause that's what mothers always do, oh yeah.
Mother, you are the most beautiful flower in our life. I wish you can see us successful. Happy Women's Day.